Welcome to my YouTube channel, Axle AutoZone. This is not a normal pickup truck. This is a road-dominating, head-turning, monster-built 6x6 beast that looks like it came straight out of a futuristic movie set. Just look at this stance. 6 wheels. Ultra-low ground-hugging body. Wide and aggressive. This is the GMC Hexa 6x6, and today I'm giving you a full high-energy review that you will not forget. If you love extreme custom trucks, super builds, and insane designs, smash that like button and let's dive right in. The first thing that hits you is the exterior presence. This truck doesn't just arrive, it announces itself. The front end looks brutal and premium at the same time, with a massive grille that screams power and dominance. The headlights are sharp, futuristic, and aggressive, giving this truck an almost robotic look. The front bumper sits extremely low, with aerodynamic styling that makes it look like a supercar trapped in a pickup body. The hood is wide and muscular, showing that there is serious power hiding underneath. Now move to the side profile, and this is where the Hexa 6x6 becomes insane. 3 axles, 6 massive wheels, and a wide-body kit that makes this truck look wider than some supercars. The ultra-low stance makes it look slammed to the ground, like it's ready to race on a track instead of just drive on the street. The brilliant white paint gives it a clean, luxury show car vibe, and when combined with those massive chrome deep-dish rims, the reflection and shine are absolutely crazy. Every angle looks expensive, aggressive, and futuristic. The rear view is just as wild. You've got those wide rear fenders covering the dual rear wheels, giving the truck a muscular tank-like stance. The taillights are modern and sharp, and the rear bumper is designed to match the aggressive front. This thing looks like it could dominate highways, car shows, and social media feeds all at the same time. A true attention magnet. But now let's talk about one of the craziest features on this truck, the doors. Instead of normal doors, this GMC Hexa 6x6 comes with dual butterfly-style opening doors. When you open them, they swing upward like a supercar. Imagine pulling up at a car meet, pressing a button, and both doors rising into the air. People will literally stop walking just to look at this truck. Butterfly doors on a 6x6 pickup is something you almost never see, and that's what makes this build so unique and viral. Now step inside, because the interior is just as insane as the outside. The cabin is wrapped in full premium black leather, from the seats to the door panels, giving it a luxury sports truck feeling. The seats are thick, bolstered, and designed to keep you comfortable, whether you're cruising the city or showing it off at an event. Red ambient lighting flows across the interior, giving it a futuristic and aggressive atmosphere, especially at night. It feels like you're inside a high-end performance machine, not just a pickup truck. The dashboard features carbon fiber accents that instantly elevate the interior to a supercar level. The carbon fiber trim adds that racing DNA look, while the digital displays and modern infotainment system make the cabin feel high-tech and premium. Every button, every surface, and every detail is designed to make you feel like you're driving something exclusive and custom-built. Now let's pop the hood and talk about the heart of this beast. Under the hood, you've got a twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This is not just about looks. This truck has serious power to back up the aggressive design. Twin turbos mean massive horsepower, insane torque, and brutal acceleration. Even though this is a large 6x6 truck, the V8 twin-turbo setup ensures it can move like a performance machine. The sound alone would be deep, loud, and addictive, the kind of exhaust note that turns heads before people even see the truck. Imagine pressing the throttle and feeling all 6 wheels push you forward. The traction, the stability, and the power delivery would be on another level. This is the kind of truck that could dominate highways, pull heavy loads, and still look like a show car at the same time. So how does it feel to drive something like the GMC Hexa 6x6? First of all, the road presence is unreal. You sit high, wide, and powerful, with people constantly staring, filming, and taking pictures. The ultra-low stance and wide-body design make it feel planted on the road, while the twin-turbo V8 gives you instant power whenever you touch the gas. The steering feels heavy and confident, the ride feels stable, and the overall driving experience feels like commanding a futuristic armored luxury vehicle. This is not just a truck, this is a statement. It's for someone who doesn't want to blend in, who wants to dominate car shows, social media, and the streets. The combination of a 6x6 configuration, butterfly doors, luxury interior, and twin-turbo V8 makes this one of the most extreme custom GMC builds you can imagine. If you enjoyed this insane GMC Hexa 6x6 review, don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts. Would you drive this monster truck, or is it too extreme for you? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more crazy custom trucks, future car reviews, and automotive content that will blow your mind. This is Axle AutoZone, and I'll see you in the next video.